Andariki Namaskaram. It is a very special film, Tanu Nenu. Special film because Mr. Ram Mohan is directing it, his direction for the first time. So it's very special for him. Music is by Sunny, my favorite. And I am really happy that you guys are gonna go watch it. Thank you so much for this because this really means a lot for the team. I am doing this film again with Uyala Champala team. So it is a very nice, sweet love story. There is a lot of cuteness in it. There is a lot of intense drama in it. I think there is a lot, and you guys are gonna love this. I got this Kirti character when I was finishing Uyala Champala. They told me the story, and till that time I thought that I'm very young for this character. I did not fit the character according to me, but the director was sure, so he was doing his job of finishing the film, the pre-production part. And again when the script came to me by Mr. Ram Mohan, and our executive producer Prasad, he came to me and he narrated me the story. And that time suddenly I was like, now I can do this. After doing Lakshmi Rave Ma Intiki, I can play older characters and look convincing, so I was okay with it then. And that's how I signed up this film and we did this. And Sunshine has been which always introduces people and which has always got new talent, fresh raw talent, which is basically a talent, and that's what it is known for. And I really feel proud being a part of this team. I have been lucky enough to have a team who is so supportive. So they take care of the chemistry. The director is so powerful, the writer is so powerful that they know what they want and they get what they want. So that's how it's been here also. You go and watch the film, you will understand what kind of talent again is promoted by Sunshine. This film is about girl and a boy who fall in love, and the best twist in the tale is that the girl's father wants her to go and settle in America. The girl wants to go and settle in America, but the boy hates America. So go and watch it. You're gonna love everybody's performance. My father character, my mother character, all of them are really amazing actors, and it is a journey while shooting. I remember I learned so many things from my father, the character who was playing my father. His body language, his character, everything was very different, and that is what I learned as an actor, and I feel glad being a part of it. Tanu Nenu's cinematographer is Mr. Suresh, and Suresh is a big cartoon because on the sets, obviously we were laughing around, we were joking around, but there was one joker on the set which was Suresh, and he was so much fun to work with. And the best part was whenever anybody would tell him that, oh, because of you retake is happening or something, he would go, okay, okay. And I think that is the best part about him, because he doesn't take any comment or anything as if, okay, I'll feel bad now, or he's not one of those camera persons. And I think that is what is the best part in Suresh, because he is enthusiastic, he wants to do the best. And I think Mr. Ram Mohan and Mr. Suresh, they both make an amazing pair behind the camera. I think the way they work together, if Ram Mohan sir, if he wants something, he wants something. If Suresh is not agreeing to it, he will try and convince him. And I think that chemistry between both of them was really fun, and they both really do a good job together. And here, Tanu Nenu, the song, if you will hear, you will love it definitely, and that plays a very important role in this film, because Tanu Nenu, the feeling behind the Tanu Nenu title is really deep, and that you will only get to know when you see the film. Vycom is a part of Tanu Nenu, and I really feel proud because Vycom has been a part of my life since 7-8 years, and that's a big journey. And the collaboration of Vycom with Sunshine, I think it is a very special one. Mr. Ram Mohan is directing for the first time. I think he was the most cutest director I have ever worked with. The way he laughs after a scene, the way he's watching the scene with full enthusiasm, and you know, he's also giving those cute expressions, and I think he's the cutest director anybody would want to work with. And about his direction style, I think he saves a lot of time, dude. Really, because there are many directors who want a scene to happen in every angle. He's not one of them. He sits, he is very clear what he wants. Okay, this dialogue in close, this dialogue in two shot, this dialogue in wide shot, that is it, finished. And the credit goes to the director. So working with a new hero has always been my life story. Raj Sarun was a first timer, then him again, and here with Santosh, he looked like a dancer. He looked the way it should be, and I also got to dance, so there is a lot of dancing also in it, and there is a lot of fun, and the chemistry between the hero and the heroine is very simple. Everybody will be able to relate to it, because there are many boys who are in love with somebody and not able to say it, and then when they say it, the girl is asking for it, you know. So it is a very cute love story, and the way the chemistry is, everybody is gonna love it and relate to it. Why should audiences watch Tannu Nenu? If you like decent cinema, if you like a nice family entertainer film, if you like me as an actor, if you like Sunny's music, trust me, you love it. If you like very realistic and a very heart-touching emotions and comedy and everything, if you like all of that, then you should watch Tannu Nenu, and I don't see any other reason of not watching it. So go and watch it, and thank you so much, and love you all from me, Avika Gaur, your Anandi, and this time your Kirti. So love you all. Thank you.
మా అమ్మని గుడిసెలో వదిలేశారేంటి? వదిలేశాండ్రా!
ఎంతోమంది ఆశీస్సులు ఉండబట్టి ఈ విధంగా మనం వేసుకోగలిగాం బట్టలు. సొసైటీ నుంచి వచ్చాం, సొసైటీకి ఏదో చేయాలని. నాన్నగారు టీచర్ కాబట్టి విద్యాలయాలు ప్రారంభించి, అది కూడా అనుకోకుండా జరిగిన సంఘటనలే. ముందు 400 మంది స్టూడెంట్స్తో ప్రారంభమై ఈ రోజున 12,500 మంది విద్యార్థులు మాది అటానమస్ కాలేజీ. కులాలు అనే అసహ్యమైన పదాలు చెప్పకుండా ఎవరి కులాన్ని వాళ్ళు గౌరవించుకోవచ్చు, కానీ కులమతాలకు అతీతంగా 25% ఫ్రీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇవ్వాలనే సంకల్పంతో ఆ రోజున 1992లో విద్యాలయాలు ప్రారంభించాను.